Hi guys, welcome to my channel SD Fitness Vlogs. In today's video, I'm going to show you a different variation of bicep exercise which will shock the muscles and help your biceps to grow. So keep watching my video till the end.
To the next level.
So today we are going to combine two exercises together, which is spider curl and standing barbell drag curl. We are going to do two exercises together without taking any rest in between. First we are going to do 10 repetitions of spider curl, and then without taking any rest we are going to continue doing standing barbell drag curl. After completing two exercises, it completes one set. So like this, we have to perform 6 sets. Each exercises we should do 10 repetitions in each exercise. Like 10 repetitions we will do of spider curl. After that, without taking any break in between, we will do standing barbell drag curl. This will complete one set. Like this, we will do 6 sets. And that completes one cycle. And guys, this exercise is going to be very brutal, and this is not for the beginner level. One more thing that I would give you a tip is, while doing spider curl, don't hang your hands like this. Instead, take it a little bit front, so it will create more pressure on your biceps.
For performing spider curl, we require an EZ bar and an inclined bench. The spider curl gives your muscle a good symmetry because while performing spider curl, the movement works mostly on the short head of your biceps. The short head stabilizes the shoulder joints when you are carrying the heavy loads. The stronger the shorter head of your bicep, the greater is the ability of your arm to carry heavier loads. It also gives your bicep a good pump because while performing this exercise, your arms are being pinned to the bench, which restricts your blood flow, thus giving you a good pump. It also helps your muscles to grow because due to the amount of tension that is applied on the biceps throughout the whole exercise. The continuous tension on the bicep muscles will lead to stress, and stress will lead to muscle adaptation, ultimately helping you to grow your muscles. Due to the positioning of the barbells while doing spider curls is unique, it allows you to have a greater range of motion from beginning to the end. A larger range of motion will give you a higher efficiency of the movement and more chance of getting the muscle size while preventing injury as well.
And then start doing 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then without taking any rest in between, we'll again do standing barbell drag curl like this. You take it, drag it like this.
Standing drag curl is an intense bicep exercise. At the moment of peak contraction, your elbows are behind your body. Therefore, the drag curl actually sets you for a much harder contraction while your biceps are in a semi-stretched position. At the top of each repetition, your biceps are optimally targeted, which helps to strengthen the bicep muscles and increase bicep hypertrophy. It reduces the risk of injury as many people struggle with shoulder pain and instability during regular bicep curl.
Till your chest, and then again take it down. 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keeping your chest upright in front, only the elbow should be going backside, and this is going to be sliding like this. 10 of this. So you have to do these two exercises, 10 of spider curl and 10 of drags, barbell drag. This completes one set. Like this, you have to continuously do 6 sets. This will complete one cycle. Like this, you have to perform 3 to 4 cycles. This is going to be the exercise for bicep, which will help your biceps to grow. Do follow me on my social media handles.
Hey guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Do also leave your valuable comments down below in the comment section. I'll be back with a new video soon. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, follow your heart and rock.